Warm greetings everyone. We, the Rotary Club of Sri Kanyaga Parameshwari Arts and Science College for Women, presents a short video on the occasion of Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th of August, commemorating the nation's independence from the United Kingdom in the year 1947, the day when the provisions of the 1947 Indian Independence Act. Before the independence, we were under the rule of British for almost 200 years. It was a hard and non-violent struggle in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for our motherland. A reason the British want to colonize India was for trade. Mohandas Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, joined the fight in 1914 and led the country to independence using his method of non-violent protest known as Satyagraha. After a long and difficult freedom struggle, India attained her independence from British rule in 1947. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of 200 years of British reign in India. Now we breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel and Gopal Bandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one and all in the country. People hold meetings, fly the tricolour flag and sing the national anthem. There is great enthusiasm among all. In the national capital Delhi, this day is celebrated with great pomp and show. All leaders and common people gather in large numbers into the parade ground in front of the Red Fort. The Prime Minister hoists the flag and makes a speech that focuses on the achievements of the government during the past year, mentions the issues that still need to be addressed, and calls upon the further developmental efforts. All state capitals hold events on similar lines with the Chief Minister of the respective states unfurling the national flag. This Independence Day, let's take a pledge to protect the peace and unity of a great nation. We celebrate the bravery of our fathers and the gift of freedom. Long may our flag wave. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.